What a beautiful evening. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back. And welcome to 2020. Guys, I apologize. I've not been around very much here on the YouTubes. Not been watching too many videos. I've just been a busy fella. Haven't really had the time, but looks like work's dipped off a little bit, so I should have a little more free time on my hands. Fingers crossed, right? So I want to give you, not really so much of an update, but I'm going to kick the year off a little bit of a project. Brief history, I picked up a Backrack for my little Toyota Tacoma back in the fall last year. It was October. And I've wanted one of them for a long time. Apologize for the wind noise too, and frying noise, but that's lunch for tomorrow. Yeah, so I've been wanting a Backrack for my truck, and I found one on Facebook Marketplace for $50. But it was off of Tacoma, it was off of Colorado. So Colorado's beds are a little taller, or their cabs are a little shorter or something, and it didn't quite work on the Tacoma. So I had to do a little bit of a modification, and I thought it'd be a heck of a time to take you along, show you what I did, and just put something together for you guys so I can get a video out. Well, check out what I found at a garage sale for cheap. It's a Backrack. Problem is, it's a little too low for my truck. You notice the rack is about centered with the tail, or the high mount stoplight, third brake light, whatever you want to call it. So it's going to need to raise up. Looks like just about 2 inches. I'm looking at this and I'm pretty sure the best way to do that is going to be to section it down in here and go up 2 inches. That looks a little better. That's plus 2 inches. Of course, nothing's set. That's just tacked. Wasn't sure if I wanted 2 or maybe I wanted to go a little more. Oh, it's tough to say. Again, it's just sitting here. My knife is holding it in the back there, so it's not straight or anything like that. But from the side, it looks good. It looks just about right. Now from the back, standing position, it looks okay. I think that's just about right. Alright, let's go burn these little fellas in. We'll be all set. Well, it's a start, and here in a minute we're going to grind them all down nice and flush, because in theory I don't want people to know that this was sectioned, and hopefully we'll do an okay job with that. Then we're going to burn this onto that base, the frame that runs across the bed rails, and it runs down here, and we'll be all set. Of course, paint the whole thing and do all that good stuff. And you got to do something with these little lights, and please pardon the mess back there, but those little lights right there, yeah, don't like them. Alright, so I've set it on lights. I think I found something I'm happy with. You can see they're pretty small. What I did with the 7/8 rounds that they had, or 3/4 inch rounds that they had drilled, I went ahead and plug buttoned them, and then I got my little lights here, and the lights came with small brackets to attach them. These were on the back of the light, but I did not like that, so I used some of this molding tape, 3M molding tape. You know, for your trim and whatnot on your cars. If you can hold trim on, I'm sure it can hold these little lights on. And of course, it asks for firm press to help adhering and all that good stuff. So I don't have them like clamped, but I got a little pressure on them. Did use a little plastic grommet here where I drilled and went through. Obviously, that way no metal gets, no wires get chafed or anything like that with that raw metal. So that's it. Don't you love what I've done with the place? Look at the mess. That mess is always there, guys. It's just behind camera, or under camera. You never get to see the magic that happens down here that's underneath my workbench. So there is the end result, with some bright little LEDs installed for load lights. You can see it raised up well, doesn't show off where I sectioned it too bad. Brought the wiring for the lights down between the bed and the cab there, and brought them in up under here at the cab corner, which comes into that toolbox back there, right underneath this panel, up underneath the sill plate, up underneath the kick panel, and ultimately the switch is right there. Of course, there are multi-function lights. They're amber and white. Some cool attention-getting strobes and all that good stuff. Truth be told, I got them just specifically for this work light, you know, for the load light function. So these are going to work perfectly. that's it. That's what I have for you. As always, thank you very much for watching the videos, checking out the channel, leaving the comments, and all that good stuff. Y'all do me a favor, please stay safe, stop back. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.